Hi everyone, good time to all of you. How are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. So today's weather is very cold. Because of this severe cold, I stay inside this blanket. The blanket also keeps my body warm and I feel comfortable in this blanket. Uh, and I don't want to get out of this bed because of the if I go outside then I feel very cold weather and the cold wind is blowing so much. That's why I stay inside this blanket. So every day I will practice. It's my confidence. So we can start your English journey, any topics, any thinking. If I do anything, then I have to think with English. Thus, you can learn English.